Hello, my name's Andy, and today we're going to be looking at the SBS R4 3500 EL/EU/28. Now, what all that means is our model reference for this trailer. R4 being a four-wheel trailer, 3500 is 3,500 kilos gross capacity with a load capacity of on around 2,750 kilos. EL is our moniker for easy loader, which denotes the roller trailer. EU is our full EU type approved trailer, and we'll go into that a bit later. And the 28 simply denotes the length of the chassis. So our standard chassis is 26 foot long. This one, because guess what, the customer's boat's longer, is a 28 footer. It's not extended, there's nothing added on. It's a fully welded SBS chassis, all in one piece. A real thing of beauty. So let's have a look in some more detail. All SBS trailers as standard come as a turnkey package. You can just turn up at our factory, our facility, pick it up and go and get your boat. Yes, you'll still need to do some adjustment and finessing, unless of course you've told us where everything needs to go first. But if not, everything is very easily adjustable based on simple U-bolts fixings. They all come with a light board. We fit a bulb light board as standard. You can upgrade to an LED one if you wish. The bulb light board is because it will absolutely work on every single vehicle. There's still a number of vehicles out there, even the new ones with 13 pin, and the standard this comes with a 13 pin plug connection, that don't like LEDs for some reason or another. So from our point of view, to make sure it works for you, there's always a bulb light board. If they come on the extending brackets, very simple, just with our Starlock clamping system, just so you get your light board to the extremity of the load, and that's a legal requirement. So moving forward, again, all fully welded. You can see we've got LED marker lights down the side, and as we go forward you'll also notice we've got forward facing LED marker lights. That's a real distinction of the EU trailer. That is a mandatory requirement in Europe. We put on these fantastic oversized fully welded cast lashing lugs, so when your pride and joy's on you can attach it and fix it firmly. You know you've got the ultimate fixing solution, so it's safe and secure. It's held on our own custom roller carriages with our proprietary roller rocker arms. So you can see we fit 8 at the rear, and as you can see as you go forward it decreases. So where the weight is, typically if you've got a large outboard boat right at the transom or midships, this is where you've got most of your support. And the 3.5 trailer is 100x50 bottom rail with a 50/50 top rail, and similarly all our cross member swing beams, they're 100x50 as well. So really robust, really built for the job. Side steps standard, nice little pad on the side steps for additional grip or just to be tow friendly. Coming forward, Alco running gear. We're Alco's largest UK boat trailer customer. We've been using them for decades. We found them far and above the best axle coupling component supply we've used. It gives really good progressive suspension and very reliable suspension torsion beam. This is their big 2361, or in old money was that about a 10-inch hub. So it's a big brake on these axles, and as you can see, you get a sense of the diameter of these is much better. They're virtually semi-commercial. Our proprietary large bracket mounting system. My father, bless him, way back when came up with this, and Alco put his design in production, and then of course sold it to anybody, so everyone's got it now, but hey ho, what can you do? But a great piece of kit. You'll see a bit of push fit plumbing on there. That's the Alco hub flush kit. Again, that was something SBS pioneered way back when, but the beauty of that system, it's just a single port of entry. Just one hose connector, click it in, it does all 4 simultaneously, so it's great. Third swing beam, 3 swing beams on this trailer. Again, as you're moving for the boat, what we'd recommend is you probably start out wide and bring these in, so it helps channel the boat, centers the boat to bring it forward. Now, not many people do this, just a little mini cross member here. It's not structural, but it's just there to take the weight of the brake rod. Particularly on an extended chassis trailer, The brake rod itself is quite heavy and can sag, and in sagging it can actually pull the brakes on just that smidge, which can cause it to feather, which is not a great idea. So as you can see, we've got ample support, these eye bolts here, keeping the supporting the weight of the brake rod, little shrouds on it to make sure it still works smoothly. Okay, and here these little puppies at the front, these are the white forward-facing LED lights, which are great, and they're complemented by forward-facing white stalk lights on the light board. You do tend to think you're being overtaken by a gang of motorcycles for a bit, but you do get used to it. But it's a great addition. Not only on the EU trailer, but also on our other range, the National Small Series, the UK specification range. The forward-facing lights and the outrigger lights are standard on that model as well. Okay, so coming forward, fully adjustable bow roller as the boat comes on. Just again gives you that final lift, that little bit of support, just to stop it nose diving. So it adjusts up and down the drawbar, and also you've got a bit of height adjustment on there as well. And on the 3 and the 3.5, we fit this uber robust A-frame winch post. Typically as well, and in this case you see we've got this set very high. This particular tray is for one of the larger Merry Fishers, and they have a really high eye position. It's just close to the stem, so hence this is adjusted, this is over 1 metre. And you can see it's extremely strong, very robust. Dutton Latson, weapon of choice with regards to the winch. This is their 2,500 pound twin speed winch. It's a great robust unit. Got 10 meters of strap on it to help you recover your boat. Winches are always rated as a dead lift. Okay, someone says, oh, well, I've got 2,700 kilos of load, you know, whereas 2,500 pounds, you know, doesn't equate to that, but this is an assister. It's not taking the whole, or shouldn't be taking the whole weight of the boat. Okay, and particularly on a roller trailer, you know, you'll just wind up and it'll just whip that boat straight on. Again, to a nice cotton reel center, protected on the outside with these outer rollers just to protect any metalwork as the boat comes on. So on the EU trailer, all the side marker lights are hardwired. They're all fully waterproof, hardwired to this junction box. It's got a stainless steel mounting bracket. So your rear light board, you'll bring the cable up the center and you'll plug it into here. And then simply with the curly cord, the extending cord, that then plugs into your vehicle. And that will work the side and rear light board. So you'll be illuminated for all to see, be safe and be seen. With the Alco 3.5 ton coupling, or rather I should say it's Bradley. Actually it's the Bradley body with the Alco head. But what we love about this is it can take the large diameter ribbed jockey wheel. So with a boat of this size and weight, this has got 250 kilos of nose weight capacity. It's extremely strong, very robust, and I don't know whether you can just pick, that's not my knees, that's actually the little, it's a locking system it's got, so it's an anti-shake. All those trailer people are experienced in knowing that occasionally through vibration the jockey wheel can self-unwind unless you secure it properly. Well, there's a little ball bearing in there that just eliminates that, so that keeps that secure. Breakaway cable standard, and again on all our Euro trailers we have an integrated coupling lock. A nice little first level, dead easy, key safe, just motorway service stations, that sort of thing. So there we have it. That's the SBS R4 3500.